Kailangan nyo ba ng biglaang cash o kaya ay kapos kayo sa inyong cash at kailangan nyo ng pambayad? Well, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano tayo kukuha ng GCash card at kung paano rin natin to ililink sa ating GCash wallet. At sa huli ay ang question and answer. Mga common question and answer. Tara, isa na natin. So unang-una, anong advantage ng GCash card? So unang-una ay pwede nyo na siyang kontrolin sa inyong GCash app. Okay? Dahil ililink natin ang ating card sa ating GCash wallet. Number 2, pay at any of the 35.9 million merchants. Ibig sabihin yung mga online sellers at mga online payments. In 210 countries and 150 currencies. So kahit anong currency po, pwede po yan. And then withdraw cash from any affiliate banknet ATM. Nationwide po yan at yung card ATMs worldwide. Note lang po, the GCash card is only available to fully verified. So kailangan fully verified ang inyong GCash account. Okay? So one cash card per cash account. Only you and your nominated recipient may receive your GCash card. So dalawa lang kayo na pwede tumanggap ng inyong GCash card kung kayo ay nag-apply na. Okay? So, take note ulit that the GCash card will be delivered to the provided address when you place your order. So, i-deliver sa inyo yan door. Next, make sure na yung delivery details lahat ay tama. Because once you pay, na pagkano bayaran nyo na at nasabit nyo na yung form, hindi na po siya pwedeng i-cancel dahil may bayad po ang ating card. Okay? And then lastly, your GCash card will be delivered in 4 to 10 days. And GCash will send you as SMS update. How to link your GCash card to your GCash account. So, unang-unang gagawin natin is open natin yung GCash account and click natin yung cards. Ayan, yan nasa ilalim, yung may arrow. And then, click natin yung order a card. So, sabi niya, have it delivered or find the nearest partner store. Okay? So, click natin yan. And then next, send me a card. Click ulit natin yan. And then, fill out a form and we'll deliver it to your doors. And then next, check your GCash registered name and click next. Okay, so check nyo yan, yung may kulay blue na yan. Tinakpan ko lang. Kung tama yung inyong registered name, and then click nyo lang yung next sa ilalim. And then fill out your delivery information. Okay, delivery information normally yan yung mga basic information nyo. Katulad ng recipient's name, mobile number, delivery address, city, municipality, barangay, zip code, saka house number. So mostly mga personal information. Okay, and then check all the information if it is correct. Okay, note, dito nalalabas yung 250 na dapat meron kayong laman sa inyong GCash wallet. Why? Kasi diyan po babawasin ni GCash yung inyong bayad sa GCash card. Okay? So, andito po ang breakdown. So, 185 ang card. And then, ang delivery fee ay 65 pesos. Kaya, ang total amount due is 250. Okay? So, pagka na-check nyo na yan, click nyo lang yung I understand. And then, sa ilalim ay click natin yung confirm. Okay? So, once na-press nyo na yung confirm, your GCash card will be delivered in 4 to 10 business days. Okay? So, depende po yan sa lugar, ano? Kung Manila lang, 4-5 days. Will send you SMS for update. Okay? So, i-update kayo ni GCash kung kailan darating. Okay? And then, next is how to link your GCash card to your GCash wallet. So, okay. Natapos na natin yung first phase ng ating pag-apply and then, paano naman natin siya ililink ngayon. Okay? So, next, ganun din, open uli natin ang GCash app and click natin uli yun. And then, sa ilalim ng order a card, nakalagay naman link my card. So, yan naman ang i-click na. So, dito, enter your 6-digit authentication code. And then, pag lumabas na yung authentication code, lalabas na screen na to, yung last 4-digit of cards. Okay? So, hawak nyo na yung card nyo, meron yung card number. So, yung last 4-digit lang nun ang i-enter nyo dito sa ibabaw. And then, dito naman sa ilalim yung virtual account number. Ito yung 12-digit code na makikita nyo sa likod ng inyong card. Okay? So, isulat nyo na ng buong number, yung 12 digits. Okay? And then after that, click nyo lang yung next. Pag na-click nyo na yung next, a prompt will appear that you have successfully linked your GCash card. Okay, so once na nakalink na siya, pwede nyo na siyang gamitin anytime. Okay? And then, question and answer na tayo. So, how to lock your GCash card? O pwede pa rin natin siyang i-lock. Okay? So, go to your GCash card page, select the GCash card account, and tap lock card. Meron po doon na lock pagka na-open nyo na yon. And then, once na naka-lock, mapapansin nyo na inyong GCash card ay magiging kulay gray, meaning hindi siya naka-unlock. Okay? So, GCash card. Which ATM can I use my GCash card? Okay, so kahit na anong Visa or Banknet ATM machine po, pwede po yan. And then, pwede rin kayo mag-withdraw using your GCash card. Okay, meron pa rin po tayong mga ibang videos na pwede nyo panoorin tungkol sa GCash. Meron tayong how to increase your GCash limit and then how to use GSave. Yan, save kayo at meron niyang interest. And then, how to use G-Invest. Ito naman yung investing online. Mag-start lang kayo ng 50 pesos dyan. Pwede nyo na kayo maging investor. Okay? How to link any bank account, especially BPI, papunta sa GCash. And then, hindi mo ba ma-open ang GCash mo dahil nakaregister sa dati o sa ibang phone? Meron din po tayo niyan. And then, paano mag-loan ng 1K up to 125K sa GCash. Okay? So, sa dulo ng video, makikita nyo yung playlist issue. O gusto nyong mapanood sa GCash. Okay, so hanggang dito na lamang at sana nakatulong kami sa inyo. At kung meron man kayong mga comment nyo lang po sa baba. At so huwag nyo lang po kakalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and follow nyo na rin ang ating page. Okay? So mula po sa Promag TV, maraming salamat po muli.